Welcome to this property brought to you by the experts at Coldwell Banker Holman Premier Realty in Klamath Falls, Oregon. For more information, be sure to visit coldwellbankerhpr.com or call 541-884-1343. This custom-built 3531 square foot home with attached two-car garage sits on 5.3 acres with 36x36 barn corral, pasture, dog kennel, greenhouse plus raised garden beds. Property borders Forest Service. Home entry has wood-accented tile floors, vaulted ceiling, west knotty pine beams. Warm, cozy open floor plan. Mountain views from living room and has certified wood stove that sits in front of stone wall with Juniper Mantels. Living room flows into open kitchen with Borror cabinets, a center island large enough for 20 pies, propane stove, electric and convection ovens, long breakfast bar with 6 custom bar stools. Master bedroom suite located main floor, west beam ceiling, walk-in closet, large bathroom. Upstairs 2 bedrooms with walk-in closets, full bath. Large loft doubles as office area with grand views out floor to ceiling windows. Great room upstairs west end of house is ideal area for large family gatherings or watching sunsets from upper deck, or take the zip line to get your blood pumping.